Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video, we want to talk about how to restore deleted file in cPanel. Now, let's go to my file manager. Let me close this. I want to go to my file manager and show you guys something. Now, supposing on my file manager, I deleted something by mistake. So, supposing my file manager, I get to delete this by mistake. Say delete. Now I get to delete this by mistake. Now that it has been deleted, how do I get it back? Now, it is very easy. Some of you might come here and start looking for trash, and you search and can't find anything like that. Yes, because there's nothing like that here. What you just have to do is to come back here and actually looked at this environment. Now, this environment contains a trash folder, which is this trash folder. You look for the dot trash folder. Now, once you look for the dot trash folder, you can open it from here or you can view trash from here to still take you to the same place. Now, this is everything we have done. Do you understand? Now, if you want to restore it, you just have to click on this, click on restore, and then restore file. Now, if we go back to our public underscore HTML, see the file has been restored. So that is how you restore deleted file. Now, mind you, if you did use this option to delete it, you cannot restore it again. Skip trash, permanently delete. You cannot restore the file. So even if you go to trash, you won't find the file because you deleted it totally. I hope I've been able to explain that to you guys now. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye for now, guys.